Hello my Sherries, hi my Chloes, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing really well. If you're not, then it's okay, you will do well. Trust me, you will. Just trust. So basically, मैं अभी आई हूँ online as in I'm recording this video to just play around with my skincare and my makeup randomly, not going anywhere, just practicing and feeling good about myself. Look at my skin, I think it has really improved, and my dark circles, I'm working on them. I'm working on my sleep also, क्योंकि मैं बहुत दिनों से बहुत सारे वीडियोस में रैंट करे जा रही हूँ कि मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आती. स्लीप इज़ लाइक रियली फक्ड अप. कोई बात नहीं, चलता है. My face is already washed. Spray some toner. This is my toner. If you want to know which toner it is, comment. आँखों में चला गया. Using a toner. और नेक को भी क्लीन कर लेते हैं थोड़ा. Alright guys, ये देखो कितना गंदा हुआ है. Because मेरा फेस वॉश्ड है बट फिर भी डर्ट रह जाती है, तो या दिस इज द डर्ट. ये डॉट एंड की का पिंक सीरम है, ये न्यू है, a new addition to my skincare. This is pink. I love me a good pink serum. यार पता है, मैंने एक चीज़ रियलाइज़ किया है कि घर पे बैठना ना, इट्स नॉट दैट ईजी, स्पेशली फॉर अ पर्सन लाइक मी. लाइक आई एन्जॉय माई मी टाइम अ लॉट. आई फील लाइक इट, इट्स वेरी सूदिंग दिस सीरम. मैं कह रही थी कि आई एन्जॉय माई साइलेंस, आई एन्जॉय माई सॉलिट्यूड, आई एन्जॉय माई होम टाइम अ लॉट. आई बिन समवन जो बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप नहीं करती थी. लाइक makeup entered my life very recently. I was just a lipstick person a few years back. I don't think so I should be applying anything else right now because it has moisturized my face pretty much. It's a beautiful serum, to be very honest. I'm very proud of this purchase. I've become very mindful when it comes to skincare. By the way, I'm having my water. There's a technique that I follow. I bless my water. It's a very good practice. I believe a lot of, like, I am into spiritualism, so it's not like I'm 100% into spiritualism, but yes, some parts of it that resonate with me I do follow. By the way, I just wanted to tell you about one product जो मैंने कल ही यूज़ किया है. ये मेरी स्किन पे जो ये ग्लो आ रहा है ना, वो बेसिकली इसका कमाल है. दिस इज़ and it's unsponsored, ठीक है, because I keep on trying skincare nowadays. So this is from Nat Habit. I found it on Blinkit. When I applied it, trust me, it smelled bad because इसमें सारे आयुर्वेदिक stuff है, ठीक है, and आयुर्वेदिक stuff smell थोड़ा सा ना आयुर्वेदिक, like very ancient, बहुत सारे spices या whatever जो भी होता है. And to be very honest, when I was applying it, I felt the ick, but then I just kept it for like 15-20 minutes and man, you see my glow. This is because of that, and it really moisturized my skin. So it is a nice product and I will definitely buy it more. I have good skin, but it is sensitive. If you are someone like me, you can try this, but always do a patch test just to make sure it doesn't irritate you. I'm just going to put some eye cream. This is my eye cream. I've talked about it in my previous videos, so you can drop a comment below to know which one I'm using. It's a very nice brand. Whenever you use eye products, just make sure to use this particular finger. Now I don't know which finger it is. The pinky finger, and this is the finger next to it. तो इस फिंगर से ना बेसिकली प्रेशर सबसे कम अप्लाई होता है. ये मैंने कहीं से ज्ञान प्राप्त किया था, यूट्यूब से. लाइक एक ब्यूटी गुरुज, स्किन केयर गुरुज से मैं जब देखती थी ये वीडियोस, तो वहाँ से मैंने ज्ञान प्राप्त किए थे. So I'm just sharing with you all. Favorite new product, cinnamon sugar color, Laneige Glaze Craze Tinted Lip Serum. Look at, I've already made a video, but just look at the donut applicator, and it is very squishy. Alright guys, देखो ज़रा मेरे होठों को. My lips look like so good, so glossy. Okay, so this is my face tint. This is very famous, House of Makeup skin tint. My shade is FL10. So I'm just gonna apply this skin tint एंड ये स्किन देख रहे हो आप, ये स्किन टेंट इज वेरी गुड. इट विल पिकअप माई स्किन इन लाइक 2 minutes. व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि एक तो ये स्किन में चला जाता है और कुछ ना ये प्रोडक्ट्स ऑक्सीडाइज भी होते हैं. Let me just set it. So beautiful. It looks like my skin, like you know, evens out my texture. House of Makeup का ये find ना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Like I was looking for a really nice skin because I used to go to office. I hate going to offices. Like I want कि जो काम मैं घर में कर सकती हूँ without traveling, without you know facing hectic politics, without meeting certain annoying people or dealing with them. If I can do it in my space, works for me. ये मेरी personal preference है. There are certain people who really like going to office, and trust me, they do, because I've met certain people who enjoy going to office and people and politics and all. I'm not like that. I am like a shant person. I'm very extrovert, but I need to feel safe in my environment. And ऑफिस में कहाँ सेफ एनवायरनमेंट होता है, बस आप ही अपने सेफ एनवायरनमेंट होते हो, क्योंकि यू नो थिंग्स बैकफायर. और आई एम समवन जो बहुत बोलता है और किसी के सामने भी कुछ भी बोल देता है. ये देखो मैंने ना एक बैक इन 2023 आई गॉट दिस पियर्सिंग डन हियर. इट्स अ वेरी यूनिक स्पॉट. हियर इज़ माई पियर्सिंग and I'm thinking of getting it done in this ear also. So it looks really nice. Like मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है and I want to get it done here also. So I'm gonna go and get it done. So देखो, look at it. Doesn't even feel like I'm wearing something and covers my dark circles also. I like such kind of makeup which is skin like. ये मेरा वैसे blush brush है, ठीक है, तो मैंने इसी से अप्लाई कर लिया because mostly मैं hands भी यूज़ करती हूँ, हाथों से भी हो जाता है ये, ठीक है. अब क्या करें, अब करते हैं कुछ मज़ेदार. बेसिकली आई वॉन्ट टू, मैंने अभी ना बहुत देखा कि ना सेफोरा पे और एक और कहीं पे फेंटी ब्यूटी लॉन्च हुआ है. लाइक नायका पे तो फेंटी ब्यूटी बहुत पहले क्रॉस बॉर्डर स्टोर पे लॉन्च हो चुका था, तो वहीं से मैंने तब ये प्रोडक्ट्स मंगाए थे बैक देन व्हेन इट वाज न्यूली लॉन्च. अभी सेफोरा पे और एक कहीं और भी, आई थिंक टीरा पे, डोंट कोट मी ऑन दैट, बट I think Fenty Beauty is getting launched or has been launched. So I thought, why not I swatch my Fenty blushes and show you guys. Yeah, मेरे पास 2 Fenty के blushes हैं. This is how they look. They look very pretty and very travel friendly and very cute. Okay, इतने हाथ में भी आ जाते हैं, so प्यारे blushes. This shade is number 14. Riri is a mauve shade. Look at the color. This is real. हालांकि देख के ब्लश की पता ही चल गया होगा कि यूज्ड तो है, क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी यूज़ किया है एंड आई रियली एंजॉयड इट. चीक्स आउट रीरी ब्लश. इट्स अ फ्री स्टाइल क्रीम ब्लश. ओके, क्रीम ब्लश है and it really stays on your face. Okay, really stays on your face, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. It's a very pretty pinkish mauvish color, very suitable for Indian skin tones, and I have personally enjoyed wearing it so much to office because sometimes I wear multiple blushes and I used to top on my liquid blushes with this one because this one really stays in my personal experience. मेरी स्किन पे ये काफ़ी स्टे करता था लंबी, मुझे टचअप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती थी बिकॉज आई एम टू लेजी. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. यू कैन ऑलवेज बिल्ड इट अप. ये थोड़ा मैंने कम लगाया है, सो दिस इज़ लाइक द नेचुरल ग्लो विद इन काइंड ऑफ लुक. लुक एट दैट. पता है मेरी एक फ्रेंड थी, लाइक एक ऑफिस में ना देयर वाज दिस गर्ल जो बहुत सारा ब्लश लगाती थी. शी यूज्ड टू लुक सो प्रिटी. उसका मेकअप इतना अच्छा होता था, लाइक आई कांट इवन टेल यू, शी इज सो प्रिटी. शी इज़ सो प्रिटी. तो उसका ब्लश देख के आई ऑल्सो यूज्ड टू फील कि मैं भी ऐसे ही ब्लश लगाऊंगी. गो अ लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा विद माई ब्लश, जैसे कि मैं अभी लग रही हूँ, बट आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू द कलर टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट कि ये ऐसा मॉवी पिंकी कलर है विच रियली गोज वेल विद द इंडियन स्किन टोन्स. ठीक है, लेट मी जस्ट ब्लेंड इट आउट बिकॉज अभी इट इज़ लुकिंग अ लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा. एंड इट्स वेरी इजीली ब्लेंडेबल. ठीक है, अपने हाथों से भी आप ब्लेंड कर सकते हो. एंड ब्लशेस के साथ क्या होता है ना, दे गो इन टू योर स्किन सो दे सेटल डाउन. एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, इफ़ यू यूज़ हाई क्वालिटी नाइस मेकअप इट डजेंट इवन ब्रेक आउट योर स्किन इन माई ओपिनियन. मेरी स्किन ब्रेकआउट नहीं करती है मेकअप से. ऑनेस्ट बहुत ही मिनिमल मेकअप होता है मेरा. ठीक है, जैसे स्किन टिंट भी मैं बहुत ही कम लगाती हूँ. मैं तो सीधा ब्लश भी लगा लेती हूँ मॉइस्चराइजर के बाद, बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ आई हैव लिव्ड माई लाइफ. सो डोंट जज मी. But yeah, I am learning makeup and I will learn contouring and everything. And सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग मुझे पता है क्या लगता है, सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग लगती है मुझे आई मेकअप. बिकॉज क्या क्या चीज़ें होती है ना आई मेकअप में, कट क्रीज एंड व्हाट नॉट. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू डू. थोड़ा सा ना टाइट हो ये ओपन होने में, विच इज़ अ गुड थिंग. आई एम जस्ट गोना रब. बाय द वे इट्स अ 3 ग्राम प्रोडक्ट. ठीक है, 3 ग्राम्स काफ़ी होता है मेकअप में. सो इट्स अ गुड क्वांटिटी एंड इट्स अ कॉस्टली प्रोडक्ट. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि यूज़ इट वेरेवर यू कैन, यू नो. इतना शो नहीं हो रहा है ये बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली मेरी आईज बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड है. ये देखो कितना मॉवी शेड है. सो pretty, so pretty. I don't know how to work eye makeup, but yeah, let's see how it looks. I think it looks good. Yay! I'm just gonna apply my kajal. I'm gonna be using my kajal. Let's apply this beautiful kajal. Like I love brown kajals. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगा रही. ठीक है, my eyes stretch a lot when I apply kajal. So I think it looks good. I feel good. Yes. Wipe the balm off. I'm gonna be using my favorite lip liner today, which is Pinky Brown by Huda Beauty. It's a very pretty lip liner. See, so beautifully it lines my lips. I'm gonna go in with my favorite lipstick. One of my favorites by NARS Cosmetics. This is the shade American Woman. Very nice pink. You will see now. Ooh, I love this shade. This is such a pretty soft pink. Like so soft and very feminine. It's their Power Matte formula. Back when I was working, trust me, all my money went into a lot of makeup. Like a lot of makeup. And it's a dry formula, so you have to moisturize your lips before any liquid lipstick or a dry matte lipstick. It goes well with what I'm wearing basically, so I am really enjoying this look. It's very minimal yet pleasing look. I really like, you know, going out like this. Now guys, I'm going to also apply a bit of powder. Charlotte Tilbury ka pressed powder. This is in the shade Too Mean. People already know how good this product is. I don't need to rave about it. This also I got last year. Like, I got a lot of makeup last year. On my neck, I have just used very less of this powder, and it has already, like, I really like it. It really gives me that it really gives that filter airy finish, and you know, takes in all your moisture. I'm just gonna apply a bit of blush. I'm just gonna apply this blush thoda sa, just so that it shows on my skin. And I'm just playing with my makeup, guys. I'm not an expert, like I said. Like, I'm someone who has started doing makeup recently. I enjoy makeup a lot, and you know what, girls should do makeup. It really empowers you in a way, internally empowers you. You feel confident and good, because what it does is it just enhances your features. There's nothing wrong in makeup. This is how it is looking, and I'm really liking my makeup. I think I should also start using a bit of concealer, because that will help me. So whenever I buy a concealer, because with concealer it is like I never get my shade right, and because I don't use concealer, that is a product that I have not really worked with. So please do suggest me some good concealer. Lastly, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using my Rare Beautyca blush. Oh, Rare Beautyca liquid highlighter, and this is in the shade Mesmerize. It's a rose goldy type of shade, like a pinky shade. You will see what I'm talking about. It is it really adds a internal glow. Okay, I really enjoy highlighters, you know, thoda rose goldy type. See, look at the shine. I love it. Oh my god, it is, wow. This is so natural. It's like a nice mauvey, pinky look that I've created in here. Nice. See, and it just goes into your skin. No shimmer particles. It is just an internal glow. You can always build it up. I like one more, because I like one more highlighter which I will buy. That is from MAC. Okay, whenever I have the money, I'm gonna buy that highlighter, because I have been eyeing that product on for a very long time, and it would be great for weddings, great fair. I wanna glitter up and everything, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully I buy it soon, but I don't know how soon. But yes, I'm gonna buy it definitely, because that is something that has been on my mind, and I haven't been able to get it off of my mind from a very long time. And every time I watch it, I'm like, no babe, you deserve to be in my bag. So yes, I'm gonna get that. Okay, this is my complete look. I can finish it off with a spray, that makeup spray that sets up your makeup in place, because I'm at home and I don't need to do that. So I'm just gonna enjoy my look like this. Like if you like this look, and please do suggest certain concealers that I can try for myself. Also comment below about any beauty products that you would want me to review. I will check if I have them in my vanity, and I will definitely review them for you guys. And stay tuned for more such content coming up your way on my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. All the links are in my YouTube description. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye. Love you all.